Certified health coach and master trainer Solomon Pratt is in the building. I hope you all having an amazing day. So I got a very, very special episode for you all. So we're gonna go over healthy protein food swaps that you need to try. So I want you all to give this a try. So these are high protein and healthy meals with smart food swaps that's going to help you be able to hit your fitness goals while still enjoying your favorite foods. So stick around for an easy meal prep tips to help you at the end, and let's get into it. So the first one we're going to go over, hold on one second. Hold on one second. Let's see. One second, one second. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm adjusting my screen. So yes, so this one is great. So this is, instead of having cream cheese on your bagel, you can have avocado. Like the avocado is so good for you because it has healthy fat. It helps your body feel full. Tastes amazing, especially if you all want to go and have an amazing waistline. Yeah, it's just so good for you though, and it's just so simple. So myself, I actually have half an avocado a day. I like to put my avocado in my chili. I had some chili today. I put it in my chili, in my omelets. I put it in my sandwiches. All kind of places I like to put the avocado, but you can put it on your bagel. And it's gonna also help you ladies to get those glute gains, if you know what I mean. So yeah, you can get more fuller around the glutes by using avocado. And yeah, so just instead of having cream cheese, this swap will really, really help you. So yes, I want you all to go and give this a try because avocados are also packed with fiber. Like I said, it has healthy fats that's good for your heart. It's gonna also once again help you feel fuller longer. So if you want even more protein, you can also add some smoked salmon on top of it, or with an egg on top. So just look at that. So that's one option you can have. So yes, just give these a try, y'all. So yeah, so I love avocado. I have avocado all the time. So yeah, so now we're gonna get into the next food swap. So this is the Greek yogurt instead of having the sugary yogurt. So this is a great option you can have. Hold on one second. I pressed the button. Hold on one second. Okay. Hold on one second. Let's get back to everything. So yeah, so everything is tailored for you though. So yeah, so just having that would definitely help you a whole lot. Hold on a second, somebody else is messaging me. Hold on, tell them to call me back later. One second. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So just by having flavored yogurts, like I said, so it can have so much sugar, and then it can have as much sugar as a candy bar. So instead, you can have you can make the swap of having the Greek yogurt. So it's packed with protein, prebiotics, which is excellent for your gut health. So you can just add berries, you can add nuts, you can drizzle a little honey on it, so you get some natural sweetness on it, which definitely makes a big, big difference. But myself, I also love blueberries. One of my favorite things to have is frozen blueberries. So when it's late at night, I like to have frozen blueberries. So I have some in the freezer, and then I have that, and then it tastes like candy, but it's actually not candy. So that's one of my favorite things to have. So just give that a try. Now we're going to get into the next one. Let's get into the next one. Okay. So yeah, so you can have protein pancakes instead of regular pancakes. So yeah, so this is a major swap that you can do. Instead of having protein pancakes every day, which gets your stomach to get big and cause all kind of issues and problems, you can just have protein pancakes. So there's a company called Kodak Cakes. So they actually make protein pancakes, which I used to eat those for years. So if you love pancakes, just give that a swap. So you can just swap out the oats. So I mean, you can swap out the flour for oats, and also protein powder. So you can just blend half a cup of oats and 1 scoop of protein powder and 1 egg and also some almond milk, and you can make a fluffy, high protein pancake. So don't that look delicious? You got that, you got the berries, super amazing. Now we're going to get into the next swap you can have. Okay, so the next swap you can have, so you can have a high protein wrap instead of a flour tortilla. So yeah, so instead of having a regular tortilla with barely any protein, you can swap it out for a high protein wrap. So options like low carb tortillas or even egg wraps will give you more protein with fewer empty calories. So don't that look delicious? Have you all ever tried this before? Let me know in the comments. Okay. What up, James? Okay, I see you, man. There you go. So yeah, just give that a try. So yeah, yeah. So these swaps are super amazing, and that's really the secret. The secret is people who are fit, they know how to have healthy options of foods that they love that taste amazing, and they know how to be consistent long term. So that's the main key. You have to be consistent. If you're not going to be consistent, you're not going to be able to stick to the plan. So just it's not about doing the latest fad. You want to do stuff that's you can do long term. Oh yes, also too, James. If you're interested in getting help regarding your health, your fitness, your nutrition, you can also go and book your one-on-one strategy call with me in the description so we can talk about anything regarding your fitness, your health, or even relationship advice. You can just book your call. If you all want to support the channel, you can send a super chat, and I have also where you all can buy channel memberships also to go and support the channel. So yeah, so like I was saying, is if that definitely would make a big difference. So it's not about making a swap. The swaps will help you and it changes everything. But most people want to make stuff too difficult. So you want to just make it super simple and then you can stay to it long term. And then once when you get advanced, then you can work on having other options. So now we're going to get into the fifth swap, which is instead of having instead of having regular ice cream, you can have cottage cheese ice cream. So look at that. So if you've been craving ice cream, I want you to give this a try. So this is high protein cottage cheese ice cream. So this is blended with 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon of honey, and frozen blueberries. So you can freeze for 2 hours. It's creamy, sweet, and packed with protein. So who's planning on trying this? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, so also too is if this has around 20 grams of protein per serving. So yeah, so this dessert will fuel you and having to build that muscle and feel full. So this definitely will make a big, big difference. So yeah, y'all. So I want you all to give some of these protein swaps a try. So this will help you to be able to be consistent. This will help you so much. I'm gonna give you some other things you can do too. So yeah, so instead of having uh pasta, you can go and have chickpea pasta. So that definitely tastes amazing. I do that regularly. So yeah, so you have to go and find a way. Yeah, you got to find a way, or otherwise you're gonna find an excuse. So yeah, so you can also cook a batch of grilled chicken. You can also cook a lot of salmon. You can have that for a few days, and you can do a swap like that. Or one thing you can do too is let's say as if you're running low on time, and then you want to go and eat healthy, you can buy a whole chicken at like Target, Jewel, Sam's Club. They have that though. So you can buy that and then you can buy a whole chicken that's already made and you can just make sandwiches, make chicken wraps with it. And that will have you to be able to be consistent even when you're getting home from work and your discipline has ran low. So we got James. Okay. So definitely you want to get more healthy. So yep. So you want more healthy eating to build bulk. Okay. So yeah, that'll help you though. So yeah, you just by you just having James a leaner, healthier option, you can stay lean while you get stronger. But usually what happens is a lot of times guys do what they call dirty bulking. So they basically eat all kind of stuff just so they can get big, but then still it looks sloppy because they gained a whole bunch of fat and then they wasn't eating quality foods. So I do not suggest doing dirty bulking. No, no. I say you could just eat amazing food that's healthy, because a calorie is not just a calorie. So it's all about the quality of the food that you're having. It definitely makes a big, big difference. Okay, so James, once again, so most of the things I know, you said that I shouldn't be eating. Okay, you know that though. Yeah. So a lot of people know, James, but what it is that they fall for temptation, because they haven't meal prep and then they wait till they get hungry. And then James, once they get hungry, that's when their discipline has ran out. So if you know places to go to get amazing food that tastes amazing, if you just plan and you have options that'll help you before you get hungry, and then you can just know what to do. So for the most part, eating healthy really, really comes down to a person just knowing what to eat that's good for them when things come up, or otherwise, life is gonna always keep coming at you. So yeah, so just you gotta just have a plan, stick to the plan, and it has to be a smart goal. It has to be specific. It has to be measurable. It has to be achievable. Yes, and then it has to be time bound. So that's how you set goals. Okay, okay. You said that. You said that. Okay, I saw you had avocados, which I love. There you go. So yeah, I like it too, because avocados has a whole bunch of healthy fats and it has some protein. Yeah, so and it is good for you though. So I like avocados. Some people don't like the texture of it, but yeah, but this especially I like to use it in the chili and so many different things, and I also love the color, the green of it. Yeah, guacamole is good, so it sure is. Yeah, I totally agree. So I also hope you all love the show. Share this video with a friend or somebody that you know that's been trying to go and get their health in order and get their habits in order. So once again, I think you all can support the channel. You can buy a super chat. You can go and become a member. You can get my bands. My bands are really good. They help you tone your whole body. You can do that to support the channel. So yes, you can do that. Or then if you want to go and get professional guidance from me, where we can talk about to see exactly what you're doing wrong, you can go and book a one-on-one strategy call with me in the description. And if you're just ready just to get training or interested in getting training, you can go and fill out my application and we'll see if my program is a good fit for you. You can go to www.solomons with a S fitnessworld.typeform.com and you can fill out my application and I will review it, and then I will go and show you how my program works, and I will also review your application, and we'll see if my program is a good fit for you. And I give a person two different options that they can go and choose from. But yeah, but that's what it is, y'all. So just that the eating part is the most important part, the eating and the habits. But if it was that simple, y'all, everybody will be fit. So a lot of people think that they say they know, but the ultimate test of how well a person knows something is, are they doing it? So are you doing it, especially on a regular basis? So, all right, y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed the show. I just wanted to hop in here and give you all some quick swaps that you can do to help you be able to be consistent and be able to get some quick results that can help you feel more motivated. So, all right, y'all. So remember, Solomon Fitness World is what strength meets elegance, and God wants you healthy and fit, while the devil wants you to procrastinate and put it off and make excuses and talk about how busy you are and how much you got going on and thinking. I tell people all the time, you can't have excuses and results. So you got to pick a side. So do you want to be on the side of the people that's getting results and then they'll find ways to make things happen? Or do you want to be on the side of people who just make excuses and they just blame everybody else and say, well, I'm gonna do it next year and next summer or next month I want to get started and something else finna happen next month anyway. So it's just that I look at it as obstacles are God's way, and I say the universe way to test you to see how bad do you want something. The problem is most people don't want it that bad, because that's why as soon as something doesn't go their way, they're quick to go and just quit. They're quick to say, well, I'll start later, I'll do it later. They're quick to find an excuse. So that's the main reason why most people do not look and feel their best, because they don't want it bad enough and they want to just keep putting it off, keep putting it off, keep saying they got so much going on. Everybody is busy. Everybody had things going on. You're not the first person to want to get healthy or get fit that has a life. It's been done millions and millions of times before. So the people who just people who want it bad enough, they just find a way to do it now. So just some progress is better than no progress. So, all right, y'all. So see you all next time, and share this video with a friend. And yes, I'll see you all next time. All right, take care.